Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie and today I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G with me, and together we will go ahead and insert a SIM card. As you can see right now, we don't have any signals, so we can't make phone calls or anything. And if we go to our settings and then go to connections, to SIM manager, we also see that we do not have any SIM cards ejected. So we can go ahead and take our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip to open our SIM card slot. And on this phone, where is it? It's on the top here, and I see right now that there's a little foil also around it. And then we can go ahead and insert that and take out the tray. And here we have a space for one SIM card and one SD card. So you can take your SIM card now and insert it, put it in that slot here, and then take that thing and put it back in the phone. So now the first thing we need to do is to unlock our SIM card. And now we're back in the phone. It will take a little moment until we will have signal. And if we go to our settings now, go to connections, SIM manager, we have our SIM card one here, Kongster, it's our provider. And now we also have signal, so we can make phone calls and send SMS and whatever else. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.